How to get the link of your Wix website. So in order to get the link of your Wix website, you first need to head over and locate the actual store or website that you want. So I have in here this Black World store. Let me head over and click on the this select site. Now this will load the site dashboard. If you're already there, then good for you. But if not yet, then you can go over to these steps right here. Now into your site dashboard, you can see in here setup. You can see in here this, which is our current domain. You can click onto this right here in order to view your live site, or you can click onto the site actions and view live sites from here. Either way, you will be redirected to the same part or to the same website if you do the two things. Now here, once you have clicked on it, we can see the URL. It is bmfriends1.wixstudio.com slash my site 7. So this is our actual website URL that you can see right here. You can just copy it if you would want. Just send it to a friend if you want. So that's how you get the link of your Wix website. Hope we helped.